In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Vivecraft with non-VR players. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up Vivecraft and playing with someone who doesn't have a VR headset is extremely simple. In fact, they actually have the answer on the official website. So if you go to vivecraft.org, underneath the resources, you will have the important things that we're looking for: service list and then multiplayer. I'm going to assume that you have already set up Vivecraft and you know how to install it, but if that's not the case, then you will need to download the specific files here from the official website, install them alongside Fabric, the mod loader, and then you will be able to get it to work. Sadly, for this video, I won't be covering in full how to install Vivecraft from scratch. Now, like I said before, there are two important links here: servers list and then multiplayer. As you can see, Vivecraft can be used to connect to any Minecraft server of the same game version. So in short, even if you have people who don't have a VR headset or they don't have Vivecraft installed, they can still join you and play together. Of course, they won't be able to see your VR movements, so they say it right here. Vivecraft can be used to join and play on any Minecraft server of the same version. However, if the server has not been modified to specifically support VR, some limitations exist, including, like I said, the movement and the animations. In general, if you don't care about other people seeing your animations in the VR mode, then just join into a server together and start playing. You will be able to play in virtual reality and the non-VR players will not have any conflicts or problems. But if you want them to see your VR movements, then all of you will need to be running the Vivecraft client and also have the Vivecraft plugin on your server, so keep that in mind. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had about Vivecraft, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.